Welcome to the Inovaxe booth here at SMT AI. Delighted to be joined by David Lee. Nice to see you, David.
Nice to see you too.
Okay. So we're standing here in front of a brand new cart from Inovaxe. It's part of your LS series.
That's correct.
So explain to our viewers just briefly how the LS series works.
Sure. So the LS series stands for the lineside series, and in terms of functionality, it is very similar to what customers are used to seeing in our smart storage solutions, with the density and the intelligent storage trays. But what's unique about this cart is that it's physically designed to be kept right at the machine. So of course you have your line side racks, you have your supermarket line side racks, but this is quite literally at the machine.
At the machine.
And it's designed to communicate with the pick and place machines so that when those machines are running, especially in a high volume type of setting where feeders are running low and exhausting, this automatically illuminates locations so that the operator can do their splicing without having to look for parts, without having to search for parts. And combined with that integration technology is also our density. Of course, as you know, we have the most dense storage on the market. So in a line side machine operation type of environment, this specific model here holds about 300, almost 400 reels.
Right.
So it can store anywhere from, as little as 5 up to even 20 days of inventory in a high volume setting for that specific machine.
Excellent. Okay. So this actually sits between the machines because
Yes.
one side is for servicing one machine. This side will be servicing a different machine. Both of them communicating wirelessly, independently with the pick and place machines.
That's correct.
And then when they get the message back that the reels are running low, the light illuminates for the specific reel that's to be replaced, and the operator does the rest.
Exactly. So this specific rack here at the show, I do have it split in half to kind of imitate. One half of the rack is supporting one machine, the other half is supporting another.
Right.
But it's as with all of our software, it's very flexible, and you can even have this one rack supporting multiple machines, or even just one machine using both sides.
Okay, so you can configure it
Absolutely.
any way that you like.
Yep.
Okay, good. And of course, it's portable. It's a smaller footprint, so it's not taking up too much space.
That's right.
In the line. Yeah, pretty neat little unit.
Thank you.
Okay. Does it come in different size configurations, or is it just
Yes, it
more?
does. So this specific model is the LS700-1, where we kind of have this half tray that you'll notice at the top, and that's to leave room for the emergency stop button. As it sits right at the machine, you, of course, don't want to block those vital buttons there on the machine.
Yeah.
We do have other models that, without the half tray, we have another version of this very rack that has handles and a 24-hour battery on it. That is used for replenishing these machines.
Right.
So in a full operation, you would see something like the SREX racks, like the warehouse racks that are behind me, and then you would have a mobile cart similar to our SR series, but in a sort of a smaller, more operator-friendly stature. So it has handles on it, and it's the same size as this, and with a battery on it, so it's mobile. And you have the handles; it's easy to move. It's easy to get in between the lines.
Yep.
So you would have that being replenished by the stock room, and then that mobile rack goes out to the line, replenishing these line side racks.
Right.
So there are quite a few different versions of it.
Versions.
And not only for 7-inch storage, but we also have this available for 13-inch and 15-inch storage as well.
Right. Well, pretty versatile. Another good addition to the Inovaxe stable. So thank you for showing it to us today.
Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure.
The Arch FX manufacturing platform, processing over 1 trillion data points each month, bringing value to every level of your organization. That's manufacturing insights for tomorrow.